Hello guys, and welcome to the $500 PC build. Now this will handle some pretty heavy gamings, definitely at high to ultra settings. Running at 1080p should get you 30 plus frames. If you want to downgrade to maybe 1600 by 900, in my opinion, doesn't look that much different. With high settings, you'll definitely get 60 plus frames. The AMD FX 6300 processor is running this all at 3.4 gigahertz. What makes this absolutely definite choice is for $100 you're getting 6 megabytes of L2 cache and 8 megabytes of L3 cache for side processes. That is actually really good. Now, a budget motherboard definitely had to go with Gigabyte, and it is a really hard decision because motherboards are definitely something you should go high on, but we chose the Gigabyte 78 LMT USB 3. Now this of course is an AM3 Plus socket, and it has 4 RAM slots, which will do just fine. It has all the gicks and giggles that'll get you what you want with all the parts in this build. And next we have the RAM. We went with G.Skill Warpjaws X Series, 1600 megahertz, 8 gigabytes. This is two 4 gigabyte sticks because if you have 2 sticks instead of 1, the RAM can work together. It'll just make better performance overall. The Seagate Barracuda 1TB hard drive is $54 and saves us a couple of bucks from the Western Digital Caviar Blue, both with 64 megabytes of cache. Now I went with GeForce over Radeon. Now I know an AMD CPU and a Radeon GPU will work well together, but I just went with the GTX 750 Ti by MSI. This is a 2 gigabyte video card and will get the job done. Now for the power supply, I went with a 430 watt Corsair CX series. This is definitely one to go to, especially for its cheap price and for reliability. As for the case, we went with the Apex SK393C ATX mid-tower case. This is a really cheap case with a clean looking design. Now the inside isn't too welcoming, but it will get the job done, fitting everything I told you in this video that you are going to order. So that is the $500 build. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the $800 build.